Hello, Ian Agrell, Agrell Architectural Carving. Here are 4 neoclassical mouldings, sort of thing that might go on a cornice, etc. These neoclassical, or could be called French Empire, these happen to be designed by in France. So French Empire or Federal in the States, also called Federal in the States, or Regency in the UK. That sort of period. So the end of the 1800s, 1790-ish. So let's have a quick look at them, the profiles. Well, the profiles are really indicated by the shape to the left of each of these. So you can see that they're slightly different in their profiles, but cavetto, curving, you can see here those pieces. And let's take a closer look at the top one. Oh, that's Italian. Here we have this sort of acanthus leaf, sausage and reel moulding at the bottom in full round. Note the corner treatment there with the stalk at the very end, so that it all meets nicely when you do a return, etc. Same with this one. These with a sort of cyma reverse at the bottom of that moulding. And the next one down is rather nice. Again, the corner treatment you can see there. These were samples for a project we did a few years ago. Again, sausage and reel, one reel between the sausages. This has a bit of decoration at the end of the reel, the end of the sausage rather, as well. Acanthus. So, French Empire, cavetto mouldings, cornices, etc.